So I thought I would be like all the really important YouTubers and influencers and do my own unboxing video here. It's very, very well taped. Came all the way here from Britain with Royal Mail. It actually made it in good time. And this was my Christmas gift to myself. Oh, it's even better wrapped. It's all bubble wrapped here. Woohoo! We're gonna have to go for the scissors that are handy and see if we can do this without hurting the precious cargo inside. Woo. Okay. Very excited about this. Chloe is too. Sounds like the UPS man is working overtime on Christmas. And in the box, I have a gorgeous box. A box in the box. And inside is this glorious print. Signed by the fabulous photographer. By photographers work, people. We produce this work in order to have it be seen. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous print as well. Signed by Angelika Schneider and Johnnie Walker. And the proceeds from this gorgeous book go toward Camino charities. It also has this beautifully printed story of St. James from the Confraternity of St. James in a gorgeous map. And finally, the book. I'd say it feels like Christmas, but it is Christmas, so it feels like Christmas. None of those gifts are, well, one of those gifts is for me, the rest are for the kids, so this is my big gift. And it's a book within a box within a book. What a great thing for an unboxing video, because it has so many boxes. And it's a sleeve. And it is, in fact, the beauty of the Camino. And this paper, I'm a paper fiend. This paper is gorgeous. And Angelika signed it, and I will go to Spain and ask John to sign it. Ask him to sign a book plate. But look how absolutely stunning this is. This is something that belongs in everyone's collection, and it's gorgeous. And I thank them for making this absolutely beautiful book. And I'm going to spend my Christmas morning looking at this. Feliz Navidad, Joyeux Noël, Merry Christmas. I hope we all get to be on the Camino this year.